Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Lifevac anti-choking device. So you should purchase this product or not, okay? So first of all I want to show you something, then you can make your own decision, okay? So I want to show you one thing, that is like you can see Airway Pro choking device. This is the 100% same to same device, but the name is different. And you can see like this is another device. The device name is like Hero anti choking device, okay? And if we talk about this product, Lifevac anti choking device, this is the 100% copy device, but the name is different, okay? Now you can imagine, you are a smart person, you can make your own conclusion, okay? But if we talk about this brand Lifevac is a very popular brand nowadays. So this brand is approx like 6 years from now. It means the brand is very old, and this brand is the original manufacturer of this product, you can say, because these two, you can say, like brands are very new. This brand is approx like 4 to 5 months. I have already done a video on this brand Airway Pro before 3 months, so we can calculate the brand is approx like 4 to 5 months old. And this Chalk Hero is very newly launched, like 2 weeks from now. So we cannot trust these two brands are you can say like legit, but we can say like this Lifevac is a, you can say, like really good brand. You can make a purchase, but there are also some alternates. Like when you visit on amazon.com, you will see there are lots of anti-choking device available, okay, in very low budget. You can also purchase lots of products, lots of anti-choking device very easily. So if you don't have so much money, then you can go with amazon.com and you can easily purchase any product on amazon.com related to this category, okay? So hope you understand each and everything. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, if you have any experience with this product, you can share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment will helpful for lots of people, okay? So thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.